Ayo Boss, and welcome back. Chef today is going to show us how to make a barbecue chicken smoked cheddar panini. Very simple. We think you're going to enjoy this. And just a couple key ingredients. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So the first ingredient is going to be that coleslaw. Chef said you can pick up a package of coleslaw and just make a little bit, or you can make the whole bag and use it as a side. Next up, go ahead and if you can find some smoked cheddar cheese, pick that up. Chef found a block at the store. If you can't find it, you can just use regular sharp cheddar cheese or whatever cheese you do like. That's totally up to you. After that's been shredded up, Chef's going to show us all the ingredients. So he has shredded barbecue chicken from a rotisserie chicken, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and some of that coleslaw. And that's really just it. So he's going to go ahead and add that coleslaw to his pulled apart barbecue chicken. They got rotisserie chicken, very simple. And if you want this more crunchy, you can always add more coleslaw. The ingredients will be listed down below though, don't forget. Go ahead and add the barbecue sauce of your choice. And then just give this a coat. And again, if you want to make more, you can double the recipe or things like that. So, okay. So after this is nicely coated and tossed, Chef's going to go ahead and get his panini grill warmed up. If you don't have a panini grill, you can just cook this on a flat stove, stove top like a grilled cheese. But we definitely suggest if you can find a panini grill, definitely pick one up. Chef's going to get a couple pieces of some panini bread. He's using some garlic Tuscan bread. He's going to butter 2 pieces. And then once the panini grill is nice and hot, he's going to lay one of those pieces butter side down. And then he's going to go ahead and start putting this together. So that smoked cheddar cheese is going to go on first. And then next he's going to go ahead and layer that chicken mix that he made, that barbecue chicken mix. And you can make the sandwich as thick or as thin as you'd like. It's totally up to you. You can also add other toppings if you would like. Be creative and have fun with it. Totally up to you. And then after that's been added, Chef's just going to go ahead and put another layer of that smoked cheddar cheese on top. And put the last piece of bread on, butter side up, and hit the camera. Why not? And then go ahead and bring that panini top down, or if you're just using a flat pan, you can just put another pan on top. And of course, Chef's going to do a slow motion drop down for visual effect because he's obviously now Steven Spielberg for some reason. Okay, after several minutes, Chef's going to lift that up. There you go. Nice, beautiful brown color, nice crisp. Chef's going to go ahead and zoom in so for your filming privileges. Everything's nice and melted. Looks delicious, Chef. Chef also wanted to share he made one for his daughter that's gluten-free, so he used gluten-free bread. So if you are gluten-free, just put on gluten-free bread instead, and came out really good, she said. So a true panini is cut in thirds, if you didn't know that. So cut this in thirds. Of course, your cutting block will be secured, unlike Chef's. And then just go ahead and plate this up. Of course, Chef's going to add a classic pickle and some chips. And I believe he's using some plain kettle cooked chips, so those work out great. And there you have it. Of course, you can kind of change yours around if you'd like, but by all means, follow our recipe. It came out delicious. Everyone loved it. Chef's daughter loved her gluten-free one. And like I said, there's no really seasonings involved. Very simple, great for lunch or dinner, and they were all gone, disappeared. So, we hope you enjoy this. Hope you definitely check it out. Thanks again, everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.